Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French brand of cosmetics and beauty products, founded in 1889. It is present, or it was in 2020, in 50 different countries, and it has more than 50 spas around the world. How do you go about pronouncing this name? In French, in France, we say it as Nuxe, Nuxe, with this quite specific U sound for the letter U in French, U. Nuxe. I know it's not easy to say for English speakers, you could say it as Nuxe, Nuxe. But I know it sounds a little bit curious, but what can I say? Nuxe is how we say it in French. Did you get the pronunciation? Can you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Also, if it was any helpful, this video, let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more beauty brands whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.